Hey, I'm Carl and welcome back to my YouTube video series on pocket knives, folding knives, any kind of knives, one of my hobbies. I found this in my stack. I forgot I had it. I bought it like 3 years ago, maybe longer than that. Run across it the other day, it's never been opened. 7-inch fixed blade knife from Ozark Trails, which is Walmart. Looks like a pretty good knife. Let me flip it around right here. Stainless steel blade, polypropylene handle, and a full tang. Here's the back. Here's the front. And let's open this with the knife I have right here. Is a 37 degrees north. Let's open this thing up. I kind of like this knife here, right here. The size looks like it's going to be comfortable. Looks like I need to sharpen this 37 degrees north blade right here. There we go. Open that up. Get this out. Now let's come over here and get this sheath out. Come on now, get out of there. There we go. Now the package is 7-inch knife. We're going to get a tape measure right here and measure the actual blade itself. So we're going to say that is 3 inches, which will make the handle 4 inches. Yep, that equals 7. This way it is 1 3/16. Has the Ozark emblem right here. There we go. It's pretty comfortable. I don't have real large hands. Kind of thin though. I like my handles a little bit thicker. There we go. You can see the full tang that's in there. The sheath has the belt hook right here. The sheath is actually from tip to tip 4 inches. The blade is designed to only go in one way, and it doesn't lock in there, which I don't like that at all. That's not good. That's just going to fall out. It is down in there. There we go. There it goes. Have to push it in there tight. So make sure that you push it in there all the way so you don't lose it. There we go. Until you hit a click. It is pretty hard to pull out. Not too bad. You see the color of the handle, more of a plum color. Right here is not very smooth, so I'll have to fix that. Like I said, it's not uncomfortable. It's just not the most comfortable Ozark Trails fixed blade that I have. But it should work. Got no real issues with it. You could use this as a neck knife. It'd be a big neck knife though. Ozark Trail stamped emblem right here. Got two little air holes here so you can see the blade. Just took this out of the packaging, so let's see how sharp it is on a piece of paper. Not too bad. Not too bad at all, really. So, I forgot what I paid for this thing. Like I said, I've had it for a number of years and I just refound it again. So, you might be able to find this style in Walmart or something very similar. I'm sure it has a moderately priced price tag on it. Under 10 bucks for sure. Not too bad. I'm going to use this for a little while. In fact, this might be the one that I'll leave on my lawn tractor. My John Deere X350 lawn tractor. Might just leave that in there for general use. Kind of a trick to get back in there. Oh, have it upside down, no wonder. Goes this way. Put it in the right way, it does good. Anyway, my name is Carl. I do appreciate you watching.